Hi friends, it's Deanna here today, and today I am so excited to bring you something a little bit different. So for the last few years, I've been so wanting to get a projector for sewing, and I've tried different ways and I just hadn't been able to, but I finally did it. And I'm so excited to share with you all how easy it is to sew up with a projector. One of the things about Ellie and Mac is the option to do projector files. Most of our patterns, all of our newer patterns, have a projector file option with them. And it makes it so easy to just download your computer file and then just project it to your projector right to the table and just cut your fabric. You're gonna bypass the printing, the gluing or taping, all that, and it makes it so easy to go from buying a pattern to sewing a pattern in just a few quick, easy steps. So today, I thought it'd be fun to do a little my first sew on my projector video, because I haven't cut or sewed anything yet, and I've been dying to. So I'm going to show you on my laptop how easy it is to download your projector. I'm going to show you which one is the projector file, and then I'm going to project it to my table. We're going to cut, and then we're going to time it and see how quickly I can do it all, so that we can see that. I'm going to probably do the Sarah wide sleeve pattern just because I love that pattern, and it is a really quick and easy pattern. And yeah, I'm excited. So let's get started. Alright y'all, here's my projector. It's this cute little Epson thing. It's a short throw projector, which means that I don't have to mount it to the ceiling. I can just place it on a stand. So it's actually on a sitting on a TV stand, and it's just hanging behind my table where I'm going to be doing my cutting. I will attach the information on this particular projector on the link below, on the information box below. But you don't really necessarily need this type of projector, you just need any projector. Then you will calibrate it and get it ready. We do have a video talking more about projectors here on our channel, so I'll link that so you can go check it out. Like I said, I'm going to be doing the Sarah wide sleeve top. And if you see here, you have the different options. You have the instructions, you have the US letter, this is for printing at home. You have the projector file, and you have the AO file, which is one that you can send out to print. It's a big file. And so we're gonna go for the projector file, and when I hit that and download, I'll go up at the top with my little show my downloads, and here's my projector file and my instructions, because I'll want both. So then when I open my projector file, it's gonna go right here into my Adobe Acrobat Reader. This is the free version of Adobe, and this is how it comes up here on this side. Now they've changed the menu a little bit, so you could have it on this side or on this side. This one has it on this side, and this is my layers option here. I'm gonna pick my size. I already know my size on this pattern. It's a size medium. So I'm gonna click everything, and then I'm gonna do Command Y because I need to see how big I need to make this projection onto my mat. I know that for me it's a 17.9, but every projection, whatever, could be different. So you need to make sure that you get that figured out first. And so here's my bodice, and I'm gonna show you how it reflects on my mat. Now, as you can see, it's really bright in here, which is great. And I can still see my lines very well on my mat. I'll turn down my light a little bit, and then you can even see them a little bit better. But see how you can now project it right onto your mat, and I can cut that bodice right out. Now, one thing that I can do is go here on my projector file, go to my view, rotate view, rotate view. I can't do this. And then hit the rotate view button, which is also, you could also hit the shift command plus option, and it rotates it sideways, which then for me works really great, because then it fills up my mat on the other way, so I can fit it all in my mat. Now, if you can see here, they give you the option of cutting it either on the fold or a straight piece, so it's just easier to cut, or you can go ahead and fold it on that line and cut it on the fold like you would on a regular basis. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting and everything, and I'm gonna start my timer, and we'll see how long it takes to get it all done. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start our timer. Now the pattern will have both of the sleeves, so if you want to do one sleeve at a time, you can lay them out and move them over, or here I'm just gonna fold it over and do both of my sleeves at the same time, cut them mirrored. So that's why you usually have two sleeves, even though you could just cut them mirrored. It's because you could cut one at a time and then the other one, and then you won't get confused with, you know, does it have to be mirrored, whatever. But I'm just going to be cutting it here, making it on the fold so I can cut it mirrored. All right, I've got my cuff, neckband, back, front, sleeves. From purchasing to cutting, 9 minutes. I cut all that. And again, this was my first time cutting on my projector. How long would it have taken, first of all, to print everything and then to tape everything out? And now I am ready to sew. It took me 9 minutes to cut this up. And that's me figuring everything out. I'm not really, you know, like I wasn't 100% sure about everything. Under 10 minutes from buying your pattern to sewing. That is amazing. Now I'm gonna go ahead and sew it up real quick. And if you wanna know how to sew this up, you can go check it out on we do have a link for sewing up the Sarah White sleeve sweater. I'm gonna go, I'll link it below so you can go grab it. I'm gonna go sew it up, put it on, and show you just how it turned out. All right, friends, we are done. Look at this perfect fit. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be such a time saver. If you are not cutting with a projector yet, let me encourage you. And if you are discouraged right now because you've tried different projectors and it hasn't worked for you yet, let me also encourage you, because I was there just a couple of weeks ago. I thought I was never gonna be able to get this, and I did, and now I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Whenever I have new patterns coming in, you know I sew a lot, and this is gonna save me so much time, and it can save you so much time, and also save so much paper and ink and all the trouble and glue and tape and all that. So please go grab a projector. I think you're gonna love it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, this little show. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Comment below and let me know, are you a projector user, or are you wanting to get into projectors? Is that something that you're like, yes, you've encouraged me to do it, let's do it? Comment below and let me know. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, so that you never miss any of our tutorials. Go grab your patterns, sew it up with me, and I'll see you next time.